Ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's not just a polite gesture. Back in ancient times, people believed that sneezing allowed evil spirits to enter the body. So when someone sneezed, those around them would quickly say bless you to protect them from any malevolent spirits. But here comes the fun part. Did you know that your heart also skips a beat when you sneeze? It's true. When you sneeze, the pressure in your chest momentarily increases, affecting blood flow and causing your heart to miss a beat. Don't worry though, it's perfectly normal and harmless. So next time you or someone else sneezes, remember to share this curious fact and give them a double bless you for both the sneeze and the heart skip.